Welcome to our video on the 11 odd habits of highly intelligent people. Many of us strive to be more intelligent, but what exactly does that mean? In this video, we'll be exploring habits that have been found in highly intelligent people, and what you can do to incorporate these habits into your own life. Have you ever noticed that some of the most intelligent people seem to have habits that are a little, well, odd? It turns out that there may be a link between high intelligence and some unusual habits. While these habits may seem quirky or even counterproductive, they can actually be a key to success and personal fulfillment. Here are 11 odd habits that highly intelligent people tend to have. 1. They stay up late. Many highly intelligent people are night owls, preferring to stay up late and work on projects or engage in creative activities when everyone else is sleeping. Studies have shown that night owls tend to have higher IQs than early birds, so if you're a night owl, don't feel guilty about staying up late. 2. They daydream. Highly intelligent people tend to have active imaginations and spend a lot of time daydreaming. While daydreaming may seem like a waste of time, it can actually be beneficial for creativity and problem solving. 3. They read a lot. Reading is a common habit among highly intelligent people, who tend to consume large amounts of information on a regular basis. Whether it's non-fiction or fiction, reading can expand your knowledge and vocabulary, and even help you empathize with others. 4. They have a quirky sense of humor. Highly intelligent people tend to have a unique sense of humor that may not be understood by everyone. They enjoy witty jokes and puns, and often use humor as a way to cope with stress or difficult situations. 5. They enjoy solitude. While highly intelligent people may enjoy socializing, they also value time alone to think and recharge. Solitude can be a great way to reflect on your goals and priorities, and to come up with creative ideas. 6. They have hobbies that challenge them. Highly intelligent people tend to enjoy hobbies that require them to use their brains, such as playing chess or solving puzzles. These hobbies can help keep their minds sharp and engaged. 7. They ask a lot of questions. Highly intelligent people are curious by nature and tend to ask a lot of questions. They're not afraid to challenge conventional wisdom and seek out new information. 8. They're messy. While some highly intelligent people are neat freaks, many others are messy and disorganized. This may be because they're more focused on their work than on keeping things tidy, or because they find it easier to think in a cluttered environment. 9. They're not afraid to fail. Highly intelligent people know that failure is a necessary part of the learning process. They're not afraid to take risks and try new things, even if they may not succeed at first. 10. They're open-minded. Highly intelligent people tend to be open-minded and willing to consider different viewpoints. They're not afraid to change their minds when presented with new evidence or arguments. 11th and final habit, highly intelligent people tend to have a growth mindset. They believe that their abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work and dedication, rather than being fixed traits that they were born with. This mindset allows them to embrace challenges, learn from criticism, and persist in the face of obstacles. Outro. So there you have it, 11 odd habits of highly intelligent people. While these habits may seem unusual, they can actually be beneficial for anyone looking to improve their intelligence, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Incorporating some of these habits into your own life can help you achieve your goals and reach your full potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.